Hey there! I'm actually making this video as a plea for help. I don't know if that's the right word, but as maybe some help for my art scattered brain. So I bought these were the same. I bought this at Goodwill. I thought this was part of it. Like I just thought it was all the same and just divvied down because this was the back and I had not taken it apart. So I just thought this was all the same. And you can see there's a lip. So at first I thought, well, what if I did resin and put stuff in it? Like kind of make it like glass and beads and stuff. And then I thought, well, maybe I could do a pour in there and just tape this off and do it. So, and then this one I spray painted yellow because my friend told me, she's like, I feel yellow for you. No, not yellow. So there was a tear at the back. I was getting ready to pour on it for this video. There was a tear at the back. So, and look, here is that lovely palm tree. A piece of paper, which kind of makes you think about all of the art that ends up at Goodwill. I wonder if some of it was ever worth like lots and lots of money. And then I'm always like, oh my God, am I going to go to Goodwill one day and find my own art? So anywho, it is a piece of very, very thin MDF. So my thought, do I pour on this? Is it too thin? Do I get a thicker piece of wood made and pour on that? Or do I do some kind of totally different, like a collage type thing? So I have two of these. So I am searching out your inspirational ideas that I can, steal. But no, for real, I don't know if this would warp with a pour on it. Probably not, because I've done coasters that are thin. But just curious as to your ideas. So thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, I'm back. And while I was away, I was coming up with other ideas. So please forget that this is yellow. My first thought was, this is an old painting that I cut up, and I thought that could look cool in there. And then this was that trip stitch this was, I think, the middle one. And this I thought was pretty cool. Now that I'm looking at it, though, I'm like, meh. All right. And then, let's see. Then I've got this one that I thought would look cool, like almost keeping the original. Something like that. But then, so this is like a big one I did. And I was thinking cutting it up for both of the frames, and have, one frame like that, and then, one like that or something, and then spray painting them black or red or something. So right now I'm kind of leaning towards this. Normally I'm like really decisive, and I just bust into it and do it. And this one I'm really on the fence about, so I would totally appreciate your help. Thanks.